grab our power armor and head off to the great beyond. Right. So, we're back home. We're going on a really low, nice, really long walk. A decently. See what we can repair.
If you wanted to make me a second printing press while you're at it.
I think so. All right. Oh, paint. Oh, okay. Winter now. It's cold. Okay. We want to hit. Got one. Oh, kind of cool. Into the power on. Oh, I want in the power on. Power on the station. The power on. God damn it. Yeah. I'm gonna check and see if there's some. Yes, there. Well, first we'll go to Diamond City. Oh, here. You know what? Yeah. That's the farthest down anyway. Place. Over here to the glowing sea. I love power on. A lot of people say Fallout 4 is too easy. I agree for the most part. I thought of it, you don't upgrade your armor, you power over stuff. Don't you power over stuff like that, yeah. Be pretty yeah, that can be. Ain't him.
You know, a shotgun's great insurance against raiders.
And I feel like I got a cold.
Let's see
I
what you
can't
got.
stand it, man.
Self-defense?
Alright, find them. Alright, cancel the trip.
Hey, swata, 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 swing, swata.
Everything I got will keep you safe.
You know what? Yeah, it was a power armor place right here. Need to repair my power armor. And I'm gonna buy some more ammo. I'm gonna make a charisma build, man.
Hey there.
Got some great stuff, if you're interested.
Like, I'm gonna focus on charisma.
Sure.
Feel free to.
I think I'm gonna do that. I just wanna try it. I never tried it. I wanna try. It. 14. Two charisma made that huge of a difference.
Park the car in the yard? How about I hammer you in the heart with a haymaker?
From. Damn, I can't repair it. Fuck. Oh well, whatever. Do it. I can warp bite. Not using. Oh, it got it. Gotta be using power. Can't believe it's not full power. Come on, man. Come on, pro. Come on, pal. No power? Nah, man. You use no power. Alright, let's aim for.
What are you building?
Alright, now. Let's do this. It took longer than it should have. Oh, yeah, let's do this. Let's go to the glowing sea. We kind of we kind of super focused on the main story. You know, if we don't, we be playing this game forever. You understand? There are other games I want to play with you guys. So we're gonna be super focused on the story. Plus, it's something else I want to try. Want to go south? There it is. I want to do some green building, charisma build. Then I'll probably be done with this game. I'm gonna try to rebuild for the most part now. Except for like a charisma build. I ain't beat the game with it. I only beat the game once. For the most part, when I'm playing by myself, I'm not really super what's gonna happen next in the story, you know? Nicely done. Trying to use up them cores. You know what my favorite weapon on this game I found to be? My absolute favorite weapon is the Gatling laser. I ain't even get the upgraded one that what name he uses. I just used the regular ass Gatling laser, upgraded a few times. My favorite weapon in the game. It's even really strong in bats, like my favorite weapon in the game. I just they can just walk.
Hey, look. Blue soup.
Oh, you're so funny, Piper. That was a hell of a joke there. Alright. Quick save just in case fight finna happen. I don't want to run because that runs up power juice a lot faster. And it's not equivalent. Adam. Oh, that rat scorpion. Just go like. Yeah, he back. Man, I can't wait for Dragon Dogma to be loaded up with mods and stuff. Oh man, Dragon Dogma one of my favorite games. Dragon Dogma definitely well. I'm pretty close. Let's say right there. Vertibirds. Oh. This place is full of red. I hear you can make it through without being in the power suit, but you know, I might as well go ahead and use the power suit. So we can get some shine, you know? Get my shine on. Get my shine on. 45. Yeah, this place. Alright, so go and see. It's at the very edge of the map. Yeah, I'm dead. Damn things are ridiculous, man. Fuck. Oh. Oh. Guys, I got so many fucking games to play with you guys. It's ridiculous. I never did finish Tales of Vesperia. I don't know, man. I might finish it later on or something. I don't know. I just lost. Not that the game's super boring. It's just that it's false. Really. I like messing with me. Get more of this. Right. I remember my first time playing through this stage. It was them damn bugs that killed me. I wasn't in the power suit. They kill you because they got the wound in effect or whatever. You want to keep, man. So you won't have to make this ridiculous walk again. You know what I'm doing? Let's click on this map. I shouldn't be able to go. Oh. Yes, a lot of actually, I can go very over there. Bad storm. Look at all these leaves that couldn't possibly be coming from anywhere. Looks nice though. Red storm. Hey, right here. So we want to eventually get through this shit. Yeah, man, I feel so sick, man. Wow. I wonder if anybody's gonna do a Fallout 4 100% guide. Oh man, I'll watch that. I sit there and watch the hours upon hours of that. As long as they're talking, as long as they're commentary. I fall asleep to non-commentary video game playing. I don't know, it's just way too boring. Way too boring. Like you wouldn't believe. Let them go and fight over there. Let them have their fun. Oh, man, coming after me. Except that guy. Yeah. Russian Raider. Are you serious? That was highly disappointing. Look at the Red Scorpion, got some Raider gear. Get out of here.
They may be constantly trying to kill us, but the Commonwealth never lacks for
By the way, this area is the initial spot where the bombs drop. Where the bomb drop. You remember we saw that nuke at the very beginning of the game? This is where it dropped. Where the nuke hit. This is what it looks like after a nuclear explosion. 200 years of, you know, not trying to fix it. Come on this way. Worry about them. Yeah. Massive radiation. What? That's it? Oh, why I land so hard? I wasn't even that high. People here?
The
Serious?
world will be shown Adam's glory.
Okay. You don't just keep sound crazy.
You approach Atom's holy ground. Why? State your purpose or be divided in his sight.
Holy ground. Adam? What's going on here?
Atom reached out and touched this world, bringing his glow to us. It remains to this day a reminder of his promise. Infinite worlds through division.
Whatever.
I'm looking for someone named Virgil.
Virgil? Yes, we know this Virgil. What do you want?
I don't want nothing to do with anything.
I just need some information from him.
He has sought refuge with Atom. I would know more before I tell you where he is. What do you want with him?
I need his help reaching the Institute.
I have heard of this institute. They hide themselves, trying to avoid the power of Adam. A futile effort. In truth,
Adam.
this Virgil has caused some concern. Some believe his presence is an affront to Adam. Though he came to trade with us on a few occasions,
You know what's sad? I can imagine this happening in real life.
It was quite clear he
Somebody
wanted
started worshipping the bombs
him southwest of the crater.
of years ago that affected the world
I would approach cautiously were I you.
at such a huge
Here
scale.
does not want visitors.
Oh, see now we're leaving the mount. You see this? We're going past the, see that? Yeah, so now at this point we're leaving. Got my way, y'all. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm really stuck. Oh. I had to fast travel back there. I got stuck. God damn it. Right. Oh. This way now. Try to head straight to there. Don't worry about what we might run into though. Oh. Up the hill. Up the hill, you can do it. Come on. Almost got it. There we go. Piper. Stop being in that rock. Try that rock. Try that rock, Piper. What are you doing, Piper? That's Piper being silly again. Nothing yet, anyway.
Blue, we're not alone here.
Piper.
Kiss it all goodbye.
Piper started acting crazy. Piper, you made us lose a lot of bullets on stupid shit, right? Thunder, okay. I got true storms, guys. That's why my storms look crazy. I feel like storms come around more often now, though. That's my only downfall with it. I like the sun, man. Love sunny weather in games. One pass. Maybe we don't have to fight it. I got around him anyway.
Hold it. Take it nice and slow. No sudden moves. I know you're from the Institute. So where's Kellogg? Huh? Trying to sneak up on me while you distract me? It's not going to work. I'm not stupid. I knew they'd send him after me.
Take it easy, Kellogg's dead.
Take it easy. Kellogg's dead.
Dead. He's dead. Don't you lie to me.
I'm not lying.
Not lying. I killed him myself.
Did you? Kellogg was ruthless. There's a reason the Institute used him to do their dirty work for so many years. I knew they'd send him after me. there for it. But I still wasn't sure I'd make it. And so you killed him, eh? Then what do you want with me?
I know you were part of it, and you escaped. They sent Kellogg to kill you.
How the hell do you know any of that? No, it doesn't matter. I'm not going back.
Guys.
I can't go back. Look at me. Why are you even here? What do you want?
Relax. I just need to know how to get in there.
Wait, what? Are you serious? You want to get into the Institute? Are you insane? Never mind how nearly impossible that is. Even if you were to succeed, it'd almost certainly end in your immediate death. What reason could you possibly have for taking that kind of risk?
They kidnapped someone. And I want him back.
Oh, no. Look, I didn't know. I mean, I didn't realize that's what you were after. I can help you get in there. But I want something in return.
Alright. Help me, I help you.
And I'll help you.
All right. If I help you, you're going to do something for me. Before I was forced to leave, I was working on a serum to reverse this mutation. It could return me to normal. You understand? So if you get in there, I need you to find it in my old office and bring it to me. I think that's pretty reasonable in exchange for helping you. All right? Let's talk details. First things first.
Alright.
You know how synths get in and out of the Institute?
Yeah, they use some sort of teleporter?
Well. Not many know about it. Pretty closely guarded secret. You've certainly done your homework. It's commonly referred to as the molecular relay. I don't understand all the science behind it, but it works. Dematerializes you in one place, rematerializes you in another. I'm sure it sounds crazy, but it's a reality. The relay is the only way in and out of the Institute. You understand? The only one. That means you're going to have to use it. Now, have you ever seen an Institute courser?
Awesome.
Sure. Lots of them.
Don't bullshit me. More than one of them and you wouldn't be standing here right now. Coursers are Institute synths, designed for one purpose. They're hunters. Operations go wrong, a synth goes missing, and a courser is dispatched. They're very good at what they do, and you're going to have to kill one.
Well, just
Let's go.
point me in the right direction.
Just point me in the right direction.
Well, I suppose your enthusiasm counts for something. Every courser has special hardware that gives them a direct connection to the relay in the Institute. It's embedded in a chip in their heads. You need that chip. But to get it, you'll have to find a courser. Now, I don't know exactly where you can find one. They haven't sent any after me. And sitting here waiting doesn't seem like a good plan. You're going to have to hunt one down. I can tell you where to start and give you some help finding one.
Alright.
You'll have to do the dirty work.
Fine with me. I like shooting people.
Okay. Let's get to work.
Right. The primary insertion point for coursers is in the ruins of CIT, directly above the Institute. So you'll want to head there. Now, the relay causes some pretty heavy interference all across the EM spectrum. You've got a radio on that Pip-Boy, right? When you get to the ruins, tune it to the lower end of the band and listen in. You'll be able to hear the interference. Follow the signal, and it'll lead you to a courser. Then, you just have to not get killed. I'm not gonna lie. The odds aren't in your favor here. But if you do make it, remember what I said about the serum. I need it badly. I really do hope you find what you're looking for.
Aw. He a nice guy. Alright.
Protect and serve.
Alright then, level 20 we are. Travel to CIT. New mission.